In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an overexposed video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your overexposed video open in Premiere Pro. Then, go to the Effects panel and in the search bar type Lumetri Color. Once you see it, drag and drop the Lumetri Color effect onto your video clip in the timeline. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down until you find the Lumetri Color settings. Here, you will see an arrow next to Basic Corrections. Click on it to reveal some basic color correction settings. Now, a common mistake is to lower the exposure slider to fix overexposure. But this affects the entire video, including the darker areas, which isn't what we want. Instead, we'll focus on more specific adjustments. Look for the Highlights and Shadows values in the Lumetri Color panel. Start by lowering the highlights value to reduce the brightness in the overexposed areas. You can then decrease the shadows value to recover some detail in the darker parts of the video. Adjust both the values gradually until you get a balanced look in your video with well-defined highlights and shadows. Once you're happy with the results, you can play back your video to see the changes in action. That's how you fix overexposed video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.